Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is time for an early Christmas gift from Epic Games. Yes, it is the bi-weekly Fab giveaway. Today we've got 3 free assets. I'm going to be doing things a little bit different today because I did not get my hands on the assets early, so I'm using their footage for this particular version. So what we got here, the first one, it is the stylized spruce forest. By the way, you've got 2 weeks to pick these up. Once you've picked them up, they are yours to keep forever, which is cool, so you should be hoarding these regardless. This one is a very straightforward asset. It is a spruce forest environment. Again, modular in nature. This one is for Unreal Engine only, but you can actually get these out into other engines. Check for guides down below. So if you're using Unity or Godot or Blender or whatever, you can probably get these out and working there as well. This one is super straightforward. Stylized spruce environment, optimized assets, wind system, procedural seasons, and paintable landscape auto material. It's easy to customize with material instances and global material parameter collections. So again, stylized forest environment here. Next up, we have the Dodge It component. This one is, I believe this is blueprints driven, but basically if you need to implement dodging in your game, directional dodging system, this one uses the character movement input. You can trigger the proper dodge or evade animation for that direction, regardless of your control rotation. So if you need to do angular dodging, that is what this one is all about. And again, this one is implemented as a blueprint. So if you're interested, it is, and basic replication, not 100% is what it says in the description. I'm not 100% certain what that means, but if you need to add dodging to your game, that's what Dodge It is all about. And then finally, we have the Knight. So this is the Dark Knight, available in both male and female. By Dark Knight, we of course are not talking about Batman TM. This one is actually cross game engine. So this one is available for Unity and Unreal out of the box, also FBX format, as well as OBJ format. So if you want to get this one out, you can do so very simply. It works in a variety of different game engines. It is compatible with his own armor sets. There's also customization ability here, so you can change the color of the chainmail or the secondary element on the helmet, etc. So it is highly customizable there. And then again, coolly enough, it does come with a Unity package, also FBX. So regardless to which game engine you are working with, this one you can basically go directly to fab.com, download, and it is yours to keep. So a pretty straightforward character asset there. So once again, you have until December the 16th to pick these up completely for free. All you do is go in, pick the version you want. So you might as well pick the Pro version. It's Epic Games paying for it. Add it to cart, check out, and it is yours. So once it goes live, it should show $0 once it is there. So quick recap, we have the stylized spruce forest, we have the Dodge It component, and we have the Dark Knight male and female. And once again, this one is in a variety of formats, whereas the other two are Unreal Engine only. So that is this month's freebies. What do you think of this collection? Also, before we move on, a quick heads up or update in case you did not know, Black Friday and Cyber Monday are a thing, and they don't just last until Monday anymore. These things last for like a month, it seems. So you're going to want to know, if you head on over to fab.com, there's actually a sale going on still, so you get a ton of assets on sale, basically across the entire store. Also, if you head on over to Gamefromscratch, or check out the links down below, there's a ton of stuff of relevance to Unreal Engine developers. So you've got a number of Humble Bundles that have Unreal Engine stuff in them. We've got some Avani audio stuff here. We've got the Unreal Fab sale, of course, going on. There's a bunch of Gumroad bundles for Unreal Engine assets, including this one right here. Do make sure you use the code BF60 if you pick that one up. And then, of course, a number of other sales as well. So if you are an Unreal Engine user, you're going to find, like this guy over here, there are an absolute ton of deals and sales going on. And I kind of gathered them all together in this post, but I will also have them linked in the comments down below. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is this bi-week's free giveaways. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.